Suppose you are standing in an open field. Now if you look up, what will you see? You will find the vast blue sky. This vast blue sky encircles or surrounds our planet Earth. Now if you look at our Earth's atmosphere from space, it will appear like magical whips. Now if a color needs to be assigned to this Earth's atmosphere, it will definitely be royal blue. Now this atmosphere is just like other magical and miraculous things because we cannot see it, but we can only feel it. So in today's video we will study about atmosphere in details. Imagine yourself in a warm cozy blanket in a cold winter night. You will feel very comfortable, right? The atmosphere of the earth also acts like a warm blanket and it protects our Mother Earth. Now what will happen if there is no atmosphere or air? Well, if there is no air, then we will not be able to hear anything. Again, if there is no air or atmosphere, then we cannot breathe as there is no oxygen. Again, if atmosphere does not exist, then all forms of life on land and water will also cease to exist. Again, if there is no atmosphere, then birds will not be able to fly and our Earth will look blank from space. Thus, atmosphere is very important. So now let us discuss the meaning of atmosphere. So what is atmosphere? Atmosphere is an invisible blanket of air that surrounds the Earth. See, this layer that encircles or surrounds the earth is the atmosphere of the earth. Now, atmosphere is composed of several important gases. Now, the word atmosphere comes from the Greek word atmos, where atmos means vapor and sphere means ball or globe. Thus, the word atmosphere means a vapor or ball of gases. Now, this atmosphere acts like a protective layer as it shields our planet from the harmful UV rays. Thus, atmosphere is a protective layer that shelters all life on Earth. Now, atmosphere extends for more than 1,000 kilometers from the Earth's surface, that is, this height or the extension of atmosphere is more than 1,000 kilometers. Thus, atmosphere extends for several thousand kilometers and is held together by the Earth's force of gravity. Now, most of the atmosphere, that is around 80%, is present within 16 kilometer of the Earth's surface. So, this much, that is 16 kilometer above the Earth's surface, contains maximum part of the atmosphere. So, atmosphere is quite dense near the Earth's surface, and as we move higher, the atmosphere becomes thinner and slowly it fades and blends with outer space. Now, I just mentioned that atmosphere is composed of several gases. Now, this pie chart shows the composition of our atmosphere. See, the most abundant gas, that is nearly 78%, is composed of nitrogen. We also have oxygen. Nearly 21% of the atmosphere is composed of oxygen. The remaining 1% is composed of several gases like carbon dioxide. The percentage of carbon dioxide is 0.9%. The next one is argon. The percentage of argon is 0.03%. The remaining 0.07% is composed of water vapor, hydrogen, helium and other gases. Now, apart from these gases, atmosphere also contains dust particles, pollen grains and other pollutants. So these are the main gases that are present in our atmosphere. Now these gases have several importance. So now let us learn the importance of these gases. Now before we proceed with our lesson, can you help me to answer this question? Which is the most abundant naturally occurring gas in atmosphere? Is it oxygen, argon, nitrogen or carbon dioxide? Well, the correct answer is nitrogen, because we just now learnt that around 78% of the Earth's atmosphere is composed of nitrogen. So nitrogen is the most abundant gas. Nitrogen is the most abundant gas in the atmosphere. This gas helps in soil fertility and is also important for the growth of plants. Now imagine a chocolate lover is given a cocoa plant instead of chocolates. Will he enjoy it? Of course not. Similarly, the plants also cannot absorb nitrogen directly from atmosphere. Therefore, nitrogen fixing bacteria called rhizobium is present at the nodules of certain plants. These bacteria converts the nitrogen and helps in the growth of plants. Thus, this is how nitrogen enters the food chain. So, nitrogen is an important gas which is present in atmosphere. All living beings breathe in or inhale oxygen and breathe out or exhale carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide is in turn utilized by plants. Now the oxygen that we breathe in is very important as it helps us to perform all metabolic activities. Thus, atmosphere provides us with an important gas like oxygen. So I just mentioned that we exhale or breathe out carbon dioxide. Now this carbon dioxide is utilized by plants, and with the help of carbon dioxide, light energy or sunlight and water, plants produce foods. This carbon dioxide is used by plants to manufacture food, and this process is called photosynthesis. Now a byproduct of this process is oxygen, or in other words, plants give out oxygen during the process of photosynthesis, and this oxygen is again inhaled by us. So you see how a balance between gases is maintained naturally in atmosphere. Water vapor is also present in atmosphere. This helps in formation of clouds. Water vapor and dust particles condense to form clouds. These clouds become heavier and eventually they cause rainfall or precipitation. Thus, water vapor and dust particles present in atmosphere lead to the formation of rain, snow, clouds, wind, etc., which are important elements of weather. They also lead to formation and change in seasons. Now there are some gases present in atmosphere which helps to keep the earth warm. These gases are called greenhouse gases. Now carbon dioxide, water vapor, methane, nitrous oxide, etc. are the greenhouse gases that are present in atmosphere. These greenhouse gases trap the solar energy or the energy coming from the sun during day, and they does not allow this energy to radiate back to space. So the presence of these gases keeps the earth warm during night. So this is how greenhouse gases helps to maintain optimum temperature on earth and also keeps the earth warm. So now imagine that in absence of these gases, the earth would freeze at night. So these greenhouse gases present in atmosphere are also very important as they help to keep the earth warm. Now the UV radiations or the radiations coming from the sun are very harmful, but ozone present in atmosphere absorbs these harmful ultraviolet radiations and protects our earth. So in presence of ozone content in atmosphere, the harmful solar radiations cannot enter the earth, and this keeps the earth habitable. Apart from the gases present in the Earth's atmosphere, the Earth's atmosphere also has a vital function to perform. It protects us from meteor attacks. The meteors are huge balls of rocks coming from space. They have the potential of creating huge depression on the Earth's surface, but this does not happen because the Earth's atmosphere burns up or destroys these meteors. So the atmosphere protects us from these harmful meteor attacks. Atmosphere contains important gas like nitrogen. Nitrogen is utilized by plants, and nitrogen also helps to keep the soil fertile. Now this nitrogen cannot be directly utilized by plants, so nitrogen fixing bacteria are present in the nodules of certain plants, and they help the plants to utilize free nitrogen from atmosphere. The second importance of atmosphere is that it contains important gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide. Oxygen is inhaled by all living beings. Now this oxygen is very important for us as it helps us to perform all metabolic activities, and the carbon dioxide is utilized by plants in the process of making food. Atmosphere also contains dust particles and water vapor. This dust particles and water vapor helps in the formation of clouds, and they give rise to different weather phenomena like rain, clouds, wind, etc. Atmosphere also contains greenhouse gases. These greenhouse gases trap the sun's heat and keeps the earth warm. The next importance of atmosphere is that it contains ozone. Ozone protects us from harmful UV rays. Atmosphere also protects us from meteor attacks. So these are the various importance of atmosphere. Now you will be surprised to know that Earth is the only planet in our solar system that is known to have atmosphere, and the presence of this atmosphere makes the Earth a habitable planet. So in today's video, we first understood the meaning of atmosphere. Atmosphere is an invisible blanket of air that is composed of several gases. Then we also discussed about the composition and various importance of atmosphere. In our next video, we will discuss about weather and climate. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. You can also register for free at DeltaStep.com or download the DeltaStep app to learn one-to-one with our amazing teachers, or to get access to our 5,000 amazing videos as per your school syllabus. Master each topic with our adaptive practice technology. Get million-plus questions with step-by-step solutions and unlimited mock tests. Get all your doubt resolved instantly. Learn via games and win amazing prizes like PlayStations and iPads. So at DeltaStep, learning is not just fun and easy, but it's rewarding too. So register for free now.